Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share the anti-aging secrets that have completely transformed my life at age 61. From enhancing my physical health to boosting my overall vitality, these strategies have made a significant difference. If you're looking to rejuvenate your health and embrace aging with confidence, you're in the right place. 1. A new approach to aging. The journey to effective anti-aging started with a shift in perspective. Instead of viewing aging as a limitation, I saw it as an opportunity to optimize my health and well-being. This mindset transformation was the foundation for the changes I made. 2. Revolutionizing my nutrition. Nutrition played a pivotal role in my transformation. Here's how I overhauled my eating habits. 1. Balanced diet. I focused on a diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to support overall health and energy levels. 2. Whole foods. Emphasizing fresh, nutrient-dense foods helped me avoid processed items and provided essential vitamins and minerals. 3. Hydration. Staying well hydrated was crucial, so I made sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. 3. Embracing regular exercise. Exercise became a cornerstone of my anti-aging strategy. I incorporated 1. Strength training. Regular strength workouts helped me build muscle mass, which is vital for maintaining metabolism and overall strength. 2. Cardiovascular exercise. Activities like brisk walking, swimming, and cycling improved cardiovascular health and endurance. 3. Flexibility and balance. Yoga and stretching exercises enhanced my flexibility and balance, which are crucial for preventing injuries and maintaining mobility. 4. Prioritizing rest and recovery. Rest and recovery were integral to my routine. I made sure to 1. Get quality sleep. Ensuring 7-8 hours of restorative sleep each night supported my body's recovery processes and overall health. 2. Incorporate rest days. Allowing time for rest helped prevent overtraining and ensured my body could recover effectively from workouts. 5. Managing stress and mental health. Maintaining a positive mindset was essential for my anti-aging journey. To manage stress and support mental well-being, I 1. Practiced mindfulness. Engaged in activities like meditation and deep breathing to keep stress levels in check and enhance mental clarity. 2. Set realistic goals. Setting achievable goals and celebrating small victories kept me motivated and focused on my long-term objectives. 6. Regular health checkups. Keeping up with regular health checkups allowed me to monitor my health metrics and address any issues proactively. Regular visits to my healthcare provider ensured that I stayed on top of my health and made any necessary adjustments to my lifestyle. 7. Social connections and hobbies. Maintaining strong social connections and engaging in hobbies contributed to my overall happiness and well-being. Staying connected with friends and family, and pursuing activities I enjoy, played a significant role in my anti-aging strategy. 8. Embracing lifelong learning. Continually educating myself about health and wellness kept me informed and motivated. I stayed updated on the latest research and trends in health and fitness, which helped me make informed decisions about my lifestyle. Final thoughts. Embracing these anti-aging secrets has profoundly impacted my life, proving that age is not a barrier to achieving vibrant health and vitality. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking for new ways to enhance your well-being, I hope these insights inspire you to take charge of your health and embrace aging with confidence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on health, fitness, and living your best life. I'd love to hear about your own experiences and questions, so feel free to share them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates, and until next time, keep thriving and embracing every moment of life.